Okay, today is Sunday. I just got some new hair, so I'm feeling myself. But anyway, we're about to go to a festival. First, we're checking the oil in the car. There's the van. Our neighborhood, our neighbors. Neighbors. Our house. Our car. One of them. Do I want to drive? I have to go get my license then, right? If I'm going to drive. I'll leave without my license. It's like a piece of paper, so.
Yeah, but a piece of paper you need.
When you get a license here, your temporary license is a piece of paper. So it's easy for me to forget it. I'm like, oh my God, I'm probably going to lose it because it's a paper. Like, why would they give you a temporary license? That's the paper. Why not just give me something plastic or something? Anyway, let's get back to my hair. Amazing. I ordered it off of Amazon.
The back, please.
I love it. Okay, I did too much trying to slick it down right here. But it was like $25. I can tell you where I got it from. I don't remember because I ordered like 4 at one time. My wife actually picked some hair out for me. She's so sweet. Got my lashes on today. Got my lashes popping. My Loy Mercier lipstick. Serena's mad at the kids. They're not helping her. Yeah, so we're about to go to some festival. I can't remember the name of the festival that we're going to. But yeah. It should be fun. This is our other car. Sabrina calls it the hoop day. Because we sold one of our cars before we moved out here. And yeah, this is our neighborhood. Some random kids walking down. Pretty cool neighborhood, pretty quiet. Won't say friendly, but nice area. A lot of trees. And yeah, I don't really have anything to say. We're doing the oil change. And it's serious because it's taking all of them to do it. Because Sabrina broke the handle that keeps the trunk open, so they all have to hold it. It's a family affair. It's a family affair. Sabrina, what festival are we going to?
Not right now.
She's irritated and mean, as usual. Hello. See, you speak to people, they don't say nothing. Say hello to those people. They just kept walking. They ain't even say, hi, how you doing? Just keep walking. Rude. Guys, are we going to leave that bike outside forever? It's been out there for like 3 days. Now we're getting in the car. In the car. Choo, 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 choo. In the car. Yep, I'm vlogging, and Sabrina's been mean on the vlog the whole time. Meanie. We're going to a festival that I don't know which one it is.
It's a food festival.
Oh, it's a food festival, right. Well, what's the name of it?
The food festival.
I don't think the name of it is Food Festival. But thank you for that.
It actually is.
Oh, it is? Oh. Is it food in German or is it food in English? Or is it the same?
It's just called the Offenbach Food Festival.
The Offenbach Food Festival. Now I know the proper name. The kitty's back there.
The kitty.
Hello, little kitties. There's Levante's wearing his glasses. And now we're off to see the wizard at the food festival. Sabrina always looks that happy.
Stay to the left till Amel Shelby.
So, a little more of the neighborhood.
You guys stink, man. Did you guys
I
put
didn't
deodorant on? I'm saying, did you put deodorant on or something?
Turn right
They
on
do fart a lot.
Stuttgart
Don't smoke because I wash my
These are just some other houses in the neighborhood.
Dad.
Some other houses in the neighborhood. In the neighborhood. A beautiful day in the neighborhood.
Yes.
Would you be mine? The yellow house. I like to call it the yellow house. Because it's a lot of yellow at that house. And they're always outside working in the yard.
In 300 meters, turn
They
right.
take care of the yard. Ooh, I wish I could turn the camera on and show you this view up here. Can you see the view? Can you see it? Can you see it? Wait, would that have made the camera look in the car?
Dad.
I don't know. Clearly, I don't know what I'm doing. Anyway, when we get to the festival, I will start taping then. Tschüss!
Turn right on.
Well, we made it to the food festival, or on the paper it says food tour, but my wife bought no money. So don't know how you're supposed to eat on a food tour and you have no money. So that is the festival over there that we are passing, because she wants to randomly go and search for ATM and there's no ATM. So here, that's everyone walking. It's not like in America where they have ATMs at the gas station and all that. They don't have ATMs everywhere here. So we are randomly walking around looking for an ATM. And I don't want to randomly walk around and look for an ATM. It's not my fun. But that is the festival over there, the food festival. And it smelled really good. I saw tacos over there. They have sect, I'm probably saying it wrong, which is basically like champagne and wine, but they can't call it champagne because something with the French, like the French own that, so they gotta call it skect or spect, S-K-E-T. I'm probably saying it all wrong, which I apologize. So, as you can see, it's really hot. Rocking my little red outfit, H&M, $12.99, what? So how people drive out here, like maniacs, don't drive safely. They have less accents than us, so whatever. But yeah, so we're still walking. And I look crazy because I have a huge tablet while talking. There's the fam. There's the fam. Weirdos. So yeah, we're still looking for ATM. So we're finding the bank now, which, as you can see, there's no bank in sight. This is a grocery store, I believe, but it's closed. Some type of market. So we're still searching for the bank. Serena has GPS on. It says it's a 7-minute walk. And I don't know if you noticed, but the sun is really beaming on my head. So where's the sun at? Somewhere up there. And it's beaming on me, and it's not making me a happy person. And now I'm frustrated. And now I have to walk 7 minutes to a beep, beep, beep bank. Those beeps were substitutes for cuss words that I wanted to use, because I wanted to use a lot of them. But this is stuff that my wife does. She says, let's go to a food tour, a food festival, and she brings 20 euros, and it's 5 of us. We can't even eat at McDonald's for 20 euros. Great planning, great planning. The donut guy was here. All different types of foods. Brazilian Cocktail Lounge.
It says, holy shit, it's deep fried.
Holy shit, it's deep fried. Twix, toffee, Oreos, they deep fry. Pizza. French Catafo, that's clearly. Oh, I see everybody with these ice creams, though. Look at that little moon bounce over there. Monte, that is a big fry. Seriously, you weren't supposed to eat it.
It's not long anymore.
Weirdo. And he's waiting on her waffle.
This is a good smoothie.
Good smoothie, all natural. What you got in there, buddy? Some pineapple, apple. What else was in there?
Pineapple, apple, banana.
Awesome. Yes, honey. Look. Oh, that's a great selfie. You should totally give it. I'm gonna put that on Instagram. Want to really take.
Take me in my food. Honey, it's not a picture.
Well, can you take a picture?
Can you take a picture? Turn the camera off then.
Oh, sorry, I wasn't taping. Sabrina, the best part was your waffle so far. Let me see it. What's left of it?
Gone.
Really, honey, it's gone.
Done.
It had strawberries on it, sprinkles, and it has cinnamon taste to it. It's
Bars.
amazing. Street food tour.
Jacob, why you laughing? Why you laughing? I can
Honey, that
skip
was
bars.
not bars. Bars is when you do a good rap, honey. That was not.
Hummus.
Honey, that was not bars.
I got hummus in my backpack.
We're saying pumice instead of saying bars. It's
Not bars.
something new that we're doing. Wasn't good. Wasn't good at all. Street food tour. We did it. We came. We conquered. Now we're going to McDonald's. That's so strange.
Gang signs.
Who does that, Lamonte?
That's
Do not do fake gang signs. You've never even seen a gang. All right, are we taking a guys? Our car's not here. This is all of it right here.
Wait, did we fuck on everything?
Going kind of fast. I should slow down.
Did we fuck on everything? Yes.
They don't know where we parked. I know. I'm just watching them like fools. We're taking a picture by the sign, guys. That's why we're here. Jacob, please don't make that face. All right, the end of our street food tour. It was great. It was real. We loved it. Woo-hoo. Cheers.